Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install a Legend of Keepers Carrier of a Dungeon Manager game for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store, and in the store, search for Legend of Keepers Carrier of a Dungeon Manager and click on this game. Scroll down and here you will see Get Legend of Keepers Carrier of a Dungeon Manager game, and it is free to keep when you get it before 23rd April. So if you download this game before 23rd of April, then you can keep this game forever in your account. So click on Add to Account and then click on Click to Install Now, and here you will see Legend of Keepers 1.06 GB. So click on Install, then go to Library, and here you can see that Legend of Keepers game is getting installed on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Legend of Keepers game on PC for free via Steam launcher, and you can keep this game forever in your account if you download this game before 23rd April 2026. So that's all for this video.